We are pleased to show you the 2024 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, chrome mirror caps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.